Conversation 1. Clothes shopping. John and Lisa.
Hello, I need a new shirt.
What color do you like?
I like blue or black.
Blue looks nice on you.
How much is this shirt?
It costs $25.
Is there a bigger size?
Yes, try that size.
This one fits perfectly now.
Do you need matching pants?
Yes, I like black pants.
Look at these black pants.
I like these very much.
Shall we check shoe section?
Yes, I need new shoes.
What size do you wear?
Size 42 is perfect.
Try these black sneakers, sir.
They fit me very well.
Do you want socks, too?
Yes, 2 pairs, please.
Look at these cotton socks.
I like these socks.
Shall we go to jackets?
Sure, it is cold today.
This leather jacket looks nice.
How much is this jacket?
It costs $80.
Do you have medium size?
Yes, here is medium.
This fits me perfectly too.
You look great in it.
Thank you. I think so.
Let's check hats section.
I need a winter hat.
Try this wool hat, sir.
This is warm and nice.
Do you like scarves, too?
Yes, a red scarf, please.
Here is a nice scarf.
Perfect. I like it.
Shall we pay for items?
Yes, let's go to cashier.
Did you find everything you wanted?
Yes, I am happy today.
Let's check the bags, too.
Good idea. I need one.
This black bag is perfect.
Yes, I will buy it.
Ready to pay now?
Yes, let's go now.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please give it me.
Here is your receipt, sir.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome, sir.
I enjoyed shopping today.
Me too. It was fun.
Let's go home now.
Sure, I am ready too.
See you next shopping day.
Yes, See you, sir.
Goodbye. See you later.
Goodbye. See you later.